Hey guys, this is Neil here from InDepth Tech. So today in this video we are going to talk about no motion detected automations. So let's get started. So a lot of you guys might not be knowing that there are two kinds of automations when no motion is detected. So the first one is if the motion is detected, it will trigger automation, and when the motion is not detected, after the motion is detected, it will trigger one more automation. And the second type is at a particular time, if there is no motion detected, then it should trigger automation. So today we are going to talk about both of these automations and if both of these types can trigger Alexa routines. Also guys, if you have a motion detector or are planning to buy one, watch this video till the end, because there are many things which I found out which are not working properly when the motion is not detected. So guys, as I said, the first type is if a motion is detected, and then if the motion is not detected, after it detects a motion, then it will trigger automation or a Alexa routine. So let me give you an example. So this is the motion sensor. I'll just cover it up. So now I'll just go to the Alexa app and enable the routine. So now let us go ahead and just open this so that the motion is detected. So as you can see,
Motion is detected.
so as you can see, it triggered the Alexa routine and also the light. So now let us wait. When there is no motion detected, it should switch off the light. So as you can see, the light switched off. So guys, now let us talk about the second part. So in this case, at a particular time, if there is no motion detected, it should trigger a Alexa routine or any other kind of automations. But the catch here is, before there is no motion detected, there is no automation for the motion detection. Okay, let me explain you with an example. So I'll just go ahead and open the Alexa app. So as you can see, there are automations created for no motion detected. So I'll just delete them first. Okay, so now click on the plus icon. When this happens, smart home, motion detection, not detected, next. Add actions. So I'll select Alexa says, no motion, next, next. Choose device, Neil's Echo Show. So here what we'll do is it's 12:08 right now. So I'll just go ahead and set the time to 12:10 to 12:12. Next. Save. So the automation is created. It's 12:09 right now. So let's wait for a minute. So here, as you can see, the motion detector is inside this cup. So let's wait for a minute. So here I have set the time from 12:10 to 12:12. So if there's no motion detected, it should trigger the Alexa routine. So as you can see, I have not created a automation when the motion is detected. So here there is no motion detected automation, just no motion detected automation. 12:10 right now. 12:11. Still it did not trigger the Alexa routine. So let's wait for a minute. 12:12, and it did not trigger the Alexa routine. So guys, now what we'll do is we'll create a automation when the motion is detected, and then a automation when the motion is not detected. So I'll just go ahead and click on the plus icon. When this happens, smart home, motion detection, detected, next. Add actions. Alexa says,
Sorry, I don't know that.
motion is detected, next, next. Choose device, News Echo Show. So I'll keep it anytime, save. So now we'll just edit the no motion detected. We'll just change the timings. I'll just reset it. So now it's set to anytime. So I'll click on, I'll go back. Okay. So now let's just check it. I'll go ahead and open this lid.
Motion is detected.
So now I'll close this and let's wait for a minute.
No motion.
So as you can see, it triggered the Alexa routine for no motion detected. So guys, as you saw, I was not able to create an Alexa routine at a particular time when the motion is not detected. But if you have a motion detected before the motion is not detected, then you can trigger a Alexa routine for no motion detected. But what if you want to trigger some other devices from the same company? So I have the Sonoff Zigbee sensors. So I want to trigger some Sonoff devices when the motion is not detected. So let us go ahead and open the EV-Link app. First we'll disable the automations. So both the automations have been disabled. So let's go ahead and open the EV-Link app. So as you can see, the motion sensor is right here. So let us create a scene when there is no motion detected at a particular time. So click on scenes, click on the plus icon, add smart devices, motion detector, no motion is detected, save. Now I'll go ahead and add a time, click on the plus icon again, time of the day. So I'll select 12:21, it's 12:18 right now, save, add smart devices. So I have a Sonoff 3-way channel. So my lights are connected to the 3-way channels. So I'll just go ahead and switch on all the lights. Save. Save. Enter the name, test, save. So it's 12:20 right now. So let's wait for 12:21. So as you can see, it's 12:21 right now and my lights are switched on. So guys, as you saw that inside the EV-Link app, we are able to trigger automations when there is no motion detected. But we are not able to trigger Alexa routine at a particular time when there is no motion detected. So guys, I hope you got a brief idea that how to create automations when there is no motion detected. So guys, I'll be trying to figure a way out that how you can trigger Alexa routines when there is no motion detected. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos just like this. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.